Dear students, as you know that your periodic test is going to be started from tomorrow, that is from 19th of this month, and the paper of physics and chemistry for both classes, that is for class 9th as well as for class 10th, is on 21st of this month, that is on Monday. And I have already uploaded 2 or 3 MCQ type questions paper regarding the periodic test. Such type of questions will be asked in your coming test. I have uploaded it so that you can utilize this question paper as your self-study, so that you can know in a better way that which type of questions may be asked in the coming test. So my main motto to upload this type of question paper is to make you potential with the concepts, to make you potential with the type of questions that may be asked in the coming periodic test. This is the question paper for physics as well as chemistry for class 10 MCQ type questions, and it is for your revision purpose. I am again telling you that don't think that same question will be asked in your coming examination, but such type of questions are yet to be coming. So you have to prepare with the help of this type of questions from your notes, from your textbooks, etc. The first question is, the conductor which does not obey Ohm's law is, and the options are given: ohmic conductor, non-ohmic conductor, both A and B, none of these. So first of all, you will have to read out the question, then focus on the different options, and you will have to select the correct choice. So I think all these questions are visible to you. No need for me to read out the questions. So just focus on each and every question and their respective options. There are total 9 questions that I have given in this set. All are MCQ type. All questions have 4 different options. Out of 4 options, only one option is correct. So just you'll have to focus on each and every question along with their respective options. And with the help of the knowledge that you have gained till now, you'll have to solve each and every question. And you'll have to prepare based on this type of questions only. Some numericals regarding physics may also be asked, but that numerical will also of MCQ type. So these are the questions and their respective answers. Now, if you have solved all the questions of this practice paper, then you can match with the answers given by me with yours. Now I am going to tell you the answers. So after pausing this video, you'll have to check whether your answers are correct or not. Now I am going to tell you the answers of this question paper. First question is, the conductor which does not obey Ohm's law is, the answer is non-ohmic conductor. Second, the answer is C. Third, the answer is B. Fourth, the answer is A. Fifth, The answer is B, that is respiration is an exothermic reaction. C, the answer is B, that is ferrous sulfate heptahydrate has green color. The answer of 7th is C. Answer of 8th is A. Of 9th is B. Thank you.